I saw recognition flare in his eyes. Zarakhinel, the Angel of Despair, the Bringer of Torments, and 1,000 other sneering, self-righteous titles. The demon had towered above all of us, this she-thing of scaled, oceanic talons, milk-white flesh, crashing tendrils and lush femininity. When she fought, she sang the song that had echoed across the galaxy, with the birth of the youngest god and the death of the Eldar race. A melody of genocide, the harmony of extinction. Zarakhinel is a greater demon pledged in service to the Prince of Pleasure, Slaanesh. Amongst the most infamous Keeper of Secrets, derived not from the psyches of Eldar, but humanity. This being known by titles such as the Unholy One, Bringer of Torments, and Angel of Despair, has unleashed its sadistic desires for millennia upon mortals. Enjoying its predations upon the Eldar Exodites above all other races, this wielder of the Soul Eater sword feasts upon spirit stones aplenty, jealously guarding its power base from its peers. Slaying the Dark Eldar Scourge, Nefertari, blood-warded to the Thousand-Sun Sorcerer Iskandar Khayon. As recompense for piercing the Trueborn's heart, the Kingbreaker casts Zarakhinel into the warp, protecting his companion's soul. Torn apart into little more than emotion and sensation, forcing its strands to reform slowly within the Immaterium. For over a millennia, this creature languished within the realm of chaos, biding its time until its return to a corporeal form. Raising nihilistic pleasure cults upon the pilgrim world of Sheralax during 703.M40, with its Thrall's rebellion enacted against the planetary governor, tides of depraved cultists overran the garrisoned militia, corrupting the planet entire to serve the whims of the Prince of Pleasure. Now running rampant across the material realm, despite the wounds inflicted by the Lord Vigilator of the Black Legion. Perhaps one day, this beloved harlot of She Who Firsts shall seek vengeance against the third of the Ezekarian.